Go Carpet Cleaning in Marietta, Georgia. Testimonials. Do you want a company that takes health concerns as seriously as they take clean carpets? Look no further than Go Carpet Cleaning for a cleaning service that values your health. We're an enthusiastic, experienced carpet cleaning company that believes in providing a thorough approach to our work, so that your carpets will look and smell clean and new. Over the years, we have provided outstanding service to countless clients across many communities. Putting your trust in one of our experienced professionals is always a great decision, because it will make your life much easier. See what our customers are saying about us.
He always is very professional, and does a great job getting everything so clean. We have a busy house with a large dog, and small kids, so the furniture gets really dirty.
Gal was pleasant, conscientious, thorough, and did a great job. I will definitely contact Go again the next time we need rug or carpet cleaning.
Did you know that we offer more than just carpet cleaning services? Dirt will get pressed down into the carpet if you walk back and forth across the same spot in a room many times. We can remove even the most tenacious filth and grime. Our professionals are committed to providing the best carpet cleaning services in Marietta and the surrounding areas. Let's have a look at what Marietta has to offer. The area of Marietta lies in Cobb County. It has a convenient location in the middle of the county, just a brief drive, 30 minutes, north of downtown Atlanta. Travelers to Marietta often explore the Marietta Museum of History, Marietta Square, and the Marietta Gone with the Wind Museum. Other noteworthy parts of the community are Dobbins Air Reserve Base, Cumberland Mall, Marietta National Cemetery, and also the Marietta Visitors Bureau. Those living in Marietta or the surrounding areas can take advantage of our free consultations and competitive rates at Go Carpet Cleaning. Visit our website www.carpetcleaning@atlanta.com/carpet-services/Marietta-GA, or call us at 678-818-5698.